Hello and what is going on, lovely people of the internet? It is Hootmoney here with another video for you guys today. We're going to be talking about Vinco, Shrinko, Bbig, once again giving you guys an update on the short squeeze mechanics of Bbig. We still have not gotten that 10K filing. We'll likely be getting it by Thursday or Friday of this week, so we're going to be looking out for that each and every single day on the market. And yeah, there's actually been a huge channel update. So before we get into Bbig, I just wanted to announce that we are now doing memberships on the Hootmoney channel. So you can become a member of Hootmoney channel and it comes with access to exclusive perks. So we're doing market open live streams, and this is available to everyone for free. You can join me at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time every single day on our channel, and we'll do live streams, market open. I'll be answering questions from chat and have some guests come on as well during the live stream. So definitely check that out and have post notifications on for that. But if you become a member of the channel, you get exclusive access to market close live streams. So at around 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, I will be going live for market closes, and that will be starting as of tomorrow, not today, because we're just doing this membership thing starting today. But as of tomorrow, we'll be getting market close live streams. It'll also give you early access to my videos. So normally my videos will go up around 4 p.m., 5 p.m., 6 p.m. But if I finish those videos early, I'll be uploading them first for channel members. So if you want early access to my videos, you can also do that through a membership. And there's also the Nighthawk VIP membership as well, which is $25 a month, but it gives you access to an exclusive Discord server, my trade alerts, which should pay for the membership itself, and also exclusive due diligence that you won't find here on YouTube and on Twitter. So you can join the channel using the first link below in the description, or there is a join button next to the subscribe button down below as well. So definitely check that out if you guys have not already. The first members only live stream should be tomorrow at 3 p.m. Also, becoming a channel member bumps up your comments in the feed for me. So if I'm looking at comments, I will see channel members first, and I'll respond to channel member comments first. And I promise that I will respond to each and every single one of those channel member comments as well. So that's all I got for that. Let's get right into the Bbig Vinco Shrinko update. So as you guys can see here, we have the hourly chart for Bbig. Again, we had that huge dividend anticipation run and the huge sell-off, which I said would happen if there was no dividend. We got the sell-off back to the levels that we were before, and all of this price action is pretty much symmetrical, which is crazy because I literally said right up here, as soon as we got that announcement for no dividend, we should be getting an equal sell-off because, well, this is what it was before the dividend anticipation rally. We should be going back to where we were before, and that's basically what we've been doing. I mean, this is almost a symmetrical chart. Anyways, there was a nice descending wedge pattern forming on Bbig. We almost broke out of it this morning. We can go to the minute candles. We got a nice rally at market open, but it was treated with a sell-off, and we actually did hit a low of $4.90. So we broke through that $5 barrier, or that support level that we had before. So going back to the hourly chart, you guys can see I drew in another level at the $4.70 price point, and that will be the ultimate support level that it will have to hold for it to not go down further. Because if we do go to the daily chart, and again, I don't like giving you guys this bad news. Obviously, I would report good news every day if I could, but we are seeing a downtrend, and you can see that on the daily candlestick, if it does break down below that $4.77 price point, there will be a gap to fill down to the 200 moving average, which is at around $4 per share. You can also see on the daily chart that there is dying down volume. So without the dividend anticipation, obviously volume will go down. I expect the volume to pick back up again in December, as we're going to be getting that dividend towards the end of December. So we're looking forward to that. If you guys wanted to check out this charting software, it is WeBull Desktop. I'm throwing a link on the screen right now to their promotion. The links are in the description or in the pinned comment section to sign up. If you deposit at least $1 on their platform, you can win up to 23 $100. I mean, the promotion's right here on the screen so you can see it for yourself. But yeah, it's a great way to bring your technical analysis to the next level. You don't even have to put your full account on WeBull to get this promotion, so it's definitely worth checking out. I really love using it. It has the best user interface of any technical analysis software I use. It blows Thinkorswim out of the water by far, so I really like using it. You can check it out if you guys want, and let's just get right back into the video. We're also looking forward to the 10K filing as well, so we'll be looking for that in the SEC documents. Again, here is all of the SEC documents. The last one we got was from October 25th, so Thursday or Friday this week we should be getting that 10K filing. Then we can go here. Look, this is my Twitter. If you guys want my call outs as they come, Twitter is your place to be. I won't spend too long on this, but you guys should definitely check it out. The link is in the pinned comment section down below. Let's get me to 700 followers. And here we have the short squeeze leaderboard. So as you guys can see, Progenity still at the top. I made an update on Progenity if you guys wanted to check that out. We can also see if we scroll down, BBIG is now at the 28th spot. So BBIG has been going down on the short squeeze leaderboard, and it is for a pretty decent reason. I cannot lie to you guys. Here we have the Ortex. There's no more short squeeze signals. You guys can see that the director Anthony McFillan bought more shares. We already went over this. Now we can get into the short interest data. The short interest data is pretty much the same. We're going to be going over all of that. 70% cost to borrow, still pretty high, but not as high as we would have hoped for. We got new FINRA data as of yesterday, which is why there is a change in the current estimated short interest, but nothing has really changed. Just this number right here. Ortex can't report the most accurate data just because they're going off of shares on loan and shares on return. FINRA gets the accurate data, but they only report every 2 weeks, so that's why we have that. We also have utilization now at 100%, but obviously shorts are still finding more shares to be shorted somehow because short interest is being added almost every single day besides for today. And I gave this spiel in the Progenity video. Short interest of 28.86%. It's probably a lot higher than that. Same with the days to cover, just because of all the hidden short interest that was going on. I had a big talk this morning in my live stream about what they do with these naked shorts and failure to deliver. So you can go back and watch the live stream to learn about that as well. We're not going to be getting too deep into that because of the interest of time in this video, but you should definitely check that out if you guys have not already, because we did go into a deep dive. I had a guest on as well, and we talked about basically the naked shorting that is going on in BBIG specifically. You guys can also see that there is an influx of shares available to be shorted here on Fintel. It's now at 1 million as of 7 minutes ago, and just 12 hours ago it was 550,000 down to about 300,000 at a low. So perhaps there was some short covering that we just don't really have the data for, and that might actually be the case, because as you guys can see, there was a spike up in on loan new and on loan returns. So there's definitely a lot of short covering now that the price is down towards $5 per share, but you guys can see that it has been trending upwards on the on loan new and on loan return. There's obviously been more new shares taken out than returned each and every single day. Right here we had 1 million more new. Here we had about 2 million more new. So it has been trending upwards, but as soon as these shorts have been covered, they're being eaten up by new shorts. So the utilization is staying pretty high, and obviously that's not a short squeeze. If new shorts are getting into the stock, then it's not a short squeeze. Here we have the combined short volume ratio on Fintel. You guys can see on its uptrend, it was over 50% short volume, as you guys can see right here. Then as soon as it dropped down, of course, it goes back down to 30%. This was also once it was placed on the threshold security list. So I do think that a lot of these 50+ days, there was a lot of naked shorting, and once it was put on the list, it came back down. There's no way for me to really confirm this other than my own intuition, but we also got a spike up today back to 43%, and this was actually as of yesterday, not today, 10/26. And just looking at the price action from yesterday, there probably was some weird short covering right here, because it jumped up to about $5.33 at market open at 4 a.m. this morning. and it might have been like some weird suppression of the price through shorting in after hours and then covering at market open. It's hard to say. We also had the 25 and 50 moving average getting close to crossing yesterday, so shorts might have actually increased their short volume just so that they could keep this downtrend going, keep it in this descending wedge pattern. And it's hard to really say, but I think the likely scenario was just to keep this in a downtrend. Anyways, looking at the options flow, same old 10,000 premium or more aside only. It has been almost entirely bearish, and there was only one call option, and as you guys can see, it was a multi-leg strategy. So the call option is really the lone wolf, and if we show charts here, you guys can see that it has been 98% bearish. So it's 98% put options, and they're targeting the 11.19 as well as the $7 and $10 strike prices for the put options. So they're going in the money on those puts. You can see right here that the dark pool volume is not too high. I mean, it was a lot higher when the price was a lot higher for, you know, the suspicious reasons that we've gone over, but you can also see the 10 biggest options trades recently are all very bearish, besides for the one selling of a put option. Anyways, that's about it for the video. I hope you guys have enjoyed. The short-term outlook on BBIG is unfortunately bearish, but you have to be able to hold and average down on these dips if you do have conviction in the stock, because nothing has really changed about the company, and we should be getting that dividend anticipation rally again in December. So if you are bullish on the company, this is your chance to average down and bring down your average price of the stock. I don't think it's anything to really worry about long term, but short term, obviously it's looking pretty bearish, and I can't deny that. We also have that 10K filing that we're looking forward to at the end of this week, so stay tuned for that and make sure you subscribe for that. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you guys like the video. Liking the video is the #1 thing you guys can do to help me out here on this channel, so I highly appreciate all the likes you guys give me. Also, subscribe to the channel for more content and hit those post notifications down below as well, so you guys can get alerted for when I go live and also get notifications for when I post. It's very good. You can also now become a member of the channel, clicking that first link in the description, giving you access to member only live streams and much more. You can also hit the join button next to the subscribe button as well. So I'm looking forward to providing an insane amount of value to people who are channel members. I promise you won't regret it. And that's about it. I hope you guys have enjoyed. If you guys wanted to check out WeBull using the links below, that's the technical analysis software that I was using. Check that out. Up to $2,300 in free stock as long as you deposit $1 on the platform. And that's about it. Hope you guys have enjoyed the video, and I will be seeing you guys next time. Peace.